Hello. This is Gabe. Will?
Yeah.
Follow us on TikTok. We've got a new TikTok account.
When you start, 5 times a day.
5 a day? Oh, mate.
At least. And
Oh, no.
don't upload at the same time.
Yeah, obviously.
Every 2 hours. How you can make it easier for yourself is build a pile of drafts.
Yep.
Set an alarm, 10 a.m., upload one. 12 o'clock, upload one. 2 p.m.
So what we have here, we got access to a fucking bunch of strong cuts.
You ever done reverse bench?
What are the benefits?
Reverse gains. We've got anabolic Gabe here.
We got him, look at him. And all his anabolic might. Dense.
Who's got the better A7? Mine's got Zoom.
Yeah, obviously we've got Anabolic Gabe in from the 9to5 Fitness podcast and a bit of a TikTok hero down here in Australia.
Something like that.
Something like
it's
that.
Unfortunate.
But we actually just had Gabe on the podcast. His episode number 7. It will be up before this video, so please go and check it out. I'll get Donnie to throw the thumbnail here and the link down below. So please check that out. There was actually an awesome chat. We had heaps of fun, plenty of laughs. Gabe's a weapon.
Bentley Fitness Centre chemistry.
And for all those that know, Cam Brown, Stupid, Bentley Fitness Centre.
Yeah, it just makes great men, I think.
Yeah, he's one of us. What are you training?
Yeah, I do bench with my torn hamstring. So.
And we've got the big bull, who's apparently getting back on Instagram. You heard it here first. And Buzz just doing chalk shit. I don't know. Tension. Always tension. Fitness tidbit, if there's no tension, there's no gains. Supposed to hit a triple. Done 155 twice this block for a triple. Had a very inconsistent block with New Year's. And feeling good, warm-ups are moving. I'm just gonna load 160 and even if I hit it for a double, I'm pretty sure that will be like a raw PR. Punch. Let's go, come on. Punch back, push. Yes! Fuck yeah, Wallace. For every kilo that he just bench pressed, we need a like. So drop it, 160.
So what are you doing?
My rehab for my torn hamstring. So I got to do this daily. It consists of some isometric hamstring curl holds, and then what was the other one? A modified bridge. So just trying to get some little stimulus into this very sore hamstring. So yeah, a bit of that.
Synergy strength. Get on the YouTube.
Haha, yes sir! Oh, that incline press, second movement, high rows. If you ever remember the old bro splits, chest and back on a day, superset. You walk out the gym feeling massive, you got that front to back thickness.
Did you fart?
No, it smells like fart over here. Did you fart? No, I noticed that Donnie goes, did you fart? And I'm like, it smells like shit. Is it Harry? Nah, Harry's, I like proper. Harry's don't smell like human farts. Look at my back. Follow our TikTok, you mongs. For lats, probably a neutral grip, elbow close to the body, like elbow in the pocket sort of thing. And if you want to target a bit more through upper back, rhomboids, mid-trap, probably a more like pronated. Big grip, bring your elbows there.
Can you change the music?
Let's go, baby. I've been doing for pretty much all like hypertrophy focused movements. Get like a dead stop and stretch. I feel like you can almost use eccentric and that elastic energy.
100%. Yeah.
The dead stops I found like literally from some movements that I've never got a pump before. Literally just by adding a pause of a hectic pump straight away.
What is it? The weighted cable crunch. Like scientifically, it's one of the best to stimulate like the top row of abs. But lots of people don't get a mind-muscle connection because they just rush through it. Whereas like if you really focus, it's like one of those movements, if you really focus on it, you get like a mad pump from it. Like,
right. This might get a bit broy. This set. That's me done with them.
I will never exceed RP8.
TikTok's got 2 likes. I'm gonna call it, we went viral. We went viral. TikTok is where the new flavour's at for Melbourne strength culture.
No, I need a miracle.
Yeah, I don't know. Wait, you know what the best pre-workout is? A breakup.
If one here so I get a business breakup, and that's my pre-workout, mate. That's when you turn into a fucking sick cunt.
Not film worthy.
No, it's fine. Just chatting about my Sunday. So we had this like a little mission. We had to.
Harry, what the fuck have you done?
What the fuck?
I just came in and there was fucking dog spew in the corner.
Our boy's not feeling too good.
Oh.
I'm not ready for a dog. That's for sure. Everyone asks me, do you want a dog? You ready to get a dog? Nah. I like dogs and the idea of them. I don't like shit.
Fatherhood. It's been coming to the gym for well over a year, and that's the first time I've had a diarrhea accident.
What are you hitting?
Pendulums.
Come on up. Good. 3 more. Let's go. Push. Good. 2 more. Don't stop. 2 more. Push. Last one. Don't stop. Go. Alright. Easy. Up your hips.
Catch number.
You and me, pose down, you dog. Amazing. Get it, boy. Manifest it. I am size. Intimate. Brother, squeeze it. Squeeze it, bring it up. Yeah, easy. Rolling by the second, micrograms at the arse.
Thomas is leaking out his ass all over the place.
Proper shit. I was saying, Harry, like father, like son. Always. Neither you can control your assholes. Shit machines.
We'll see how it goes.
Stop that, man. See how it goes.
Preface it with that.
See how it goes. Nah, that's a shit preface. You go see how it goes, then you make it fly, and then yeah. Humble guy. No room for humility on the battlefield. Come on, punch the bait, back. Push.
Just go. 8. Keep on. Come on, keep on. 9. 3 more. Let's go.
Jack, I literally can't.
Come on, get up there. Keep fighting.
That doesn't.
You're another set now.
I literally don't want to get up.
I reckon we're alright. And re-enter the building. Takes after his dad. No doubt I'll shoot myself doing squats tomorrow again. I shoot myself last week. Intra-abdominal pressure.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, chumbas. Alright, I reckon we can go inside. I've replaced the mat, but it's one of them sleeping mats. Mate, he was taking the shit out of there, and he had half an erection while he was taking a liquid shit. It was crazy.
You should consult, do more research, brother. In this hand, email my coach. In this hand, get massive, brother. Straight to the head.